In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this pencil case using Cricut's new printable materials. For this project, you'll need a canvas bag and printable iron-on material. I am using Cricut's Printable Iron-On for light fabrics. First, I measure the bag to see what shape I need to make in Design Space. Now in Design Space, I pull up my project. If you are wanting to make this project too, I will leave a link to it in the description. I go to Shapes and start creating a rectangle the same size as the canvas bag. In this case, it is 9 inches wide by 7 inches high. I resize the image to make sure it will fit nicely. I delete this template now as I don't need it anymore. I also added a crayon image as I plan to do one for crayons also. I'm going to attach both of these images so they will print and cut on one sheet. Now go up to Make It, Continue, Send to Printer. I choose my printer, which is an Epson inkjet. Switch Add Bleed off, switch Use System dialog on. It will bring up a settings box which is usually sitting behind Design Space on the desktop. I go through all the settings and make sure that the printing will be in the highest quality. This will make sure when your printer prints you will have the brightest image possible. I'm really impressed with how this has turned out so far. Now back in Design Space, I select the base material as Printable Iron-On Light. I place my printout on the cutting mat, lining it up as close as possible to the top left corner, and then place the mat into the machine for it to start cutting. Now that it has finished cutting, I need to figure out what heat setting to put my Easy Press on. Cricut have a helpful heat guide on Design Space, so I just went through and filled in what I could. For heat transfer material, I go down and choose Printable Iron-On for light fabrics. For base material, I choose cotton canvas and then click Apply. So Cricut is saying I need the heat setting of 315 degrees Fahrenheit or 155 degrees Celsius. I need to preheat for 5 seconds and then firmly press for 30 seconds. I turn the Easy Press on so I can start heating up at the recommended temperature. This cute little pick tool came in the printable set. What you can't see on screen is that the printable sheet almost feels like a very light fabric. The tool helps lift the edges of the design. You can then delicately peel the image off the backing sheet. Now that the Easy Press has beeped to tell me that the machine is at temperature, I gently heat the material for 5 seconds. I then place my design on the bag and cover with the sheet of parchment paper, which is also included in the kit. I now place the Easy Press on top and click the Start button. This will start the countdown for the recommended time of 30 seconds. You can see how well the image is transferred to the bag and kept its vibrant colours. Hope this video has helped you know more about how to use this product in your own projects. I will leave a link to this project and also my Design Space profile if you'd like to follow me, and I will see you again in the next tutorial.